Hi guys! Another video! Kain tayo ng Jollibee guys! Namiss kong kumain ng Jollibee. Tingnan mo, ang sarap! Yay! 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 Hawi! 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 Ayan guys, ang daming rides. Kaya lang ayoko yung mga rides na natatakot ako sumakay sa mga ganyan. Pero ang saya pag may mga ganyan guys, diba? Parang sa Pilipinas lang. Perya ang tawag sa Pilipinas ng ganyan. Wow! Kaya lang ito maraming rides. Good morning! Today is Thursday.
The 30th.
30th. So we're going to park. We're gonna bring Manny. Look. Sa bago naming sasakyan. Kasama ang Uber driver. Kasi last day off ni Dada. Babalik na siya sa work bukas. So, punta kami ng park. Kasi kagabi pumunta kami ng park. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kagabi. Nakapag-video ako konti para kay Manny. Natuwa yung bata sa sa swing. Pero hindi ko lang sure kung may swing sa park na pupunta namin yun. Kasi ibang park yung pinunta namin kahapon. Sinundo lang namin ang kuya ni Manny. Natuwa yung bata ko. Oh, Manny!
Manny Dallas.
So pupunta kami ngayon sa park. May dala-dala kaming scrambled egg para kay Manny. And then fruits. Bye-bye! See you! Komportable ang pag-drive ng Dada kasi malaki siya. Malaki siya at malaki din yung sasakyan kaya maganda. Hindi mahirap gumalaw-galaw. Hindi naman siya nahihirapan gumalaw dun sa isa. Sa maliit. Kami lang talaga yung... Ako lang talaga. Ako ang nagre-reklamo sa kanya na kailangan na ng bagong sasakyan. Kasi yung anak niya lumalaki, ang hirap gumalaw sa likod. Dito kami pupunta na park. Oh, yeah, there is a slide. Yay! There's a slide for the baby. I think all park has a slide, right? For kids, for sure.
Something like that, yeah.
Yay! Ito guys, yung pinuntahan namin na may cherry blossom. Pero, hindi pa naman tag-cherry blossom ngayon. Pero, ito naman, mga nagugok talaga dito. Oh my jeez. Galing-galing. Yay! Oh, they're starting to become orange. Oh, Dada! Oh, that's the maple tree! Oh my gosh! Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Remember, you forgot?
Oh my gosh! There's a maple tree! I love that! Bata na naman ako. Ayan na yung isa. Ayan na si Dada.
I got your truck. Come on.
Come here, Nak.
We're going that one? Okay.
Come here. You want to slide? Here, go slide. Oh, go slide. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Let's see what he does. Get up.
Go up.
Come on, get up.
Go up. Go up here.
Climb up it. You got shoes on.
Up.
Climb up
Come
it.
here. Come here. Go up.
Good point. Let's see what he does. Whoa! That'll make you dizzy. That'll make you dizzy. Yeah, I want to make you dizzy. Be careful. The baby, be careful. Hand up. Go. There you go.
Yay! Good job!
Got him. You watch the slide. Just watch everything else he can climb into. He can't fall nowhere else. See, he can't. He can't.
Wow!
I'll put it in there. Oh.
Go with Dada.
How was your thing?
Yeah, come here. Come here.
Go get it. Go on. Go.
Come here.
Go on.
Come here. The ball is coming back in there. It's going back in there, the ball. Throw. Go. Come here. Yay!
Go to mommy.
Yay! Yay! Thank you! Look! Manny, oh, look! Manny! Shh. So, nilagyan ko ng rosary ang sasakyan ni Dada. Alis na kami. Ito na mo guys. So, ang lapit namin talaga sa bundok ko. Ayun po. Guys, knock out ang anak ko. Napagod siya. Inantok. Nag-ikot-ikot muna kami para makatulog siya. Guys, dito ako tumitingin ng bag. Pero gusto ko ng bag yung sling. Gusto ko ng sling bag. Bakit naman ang bag na to? Sling din siya, pero... Hey! 40 bucks din siya, guys. Pero maganda siya, guys. Wow! White kasi siya. White. Bumili kami guys ng bagong pan. Yay! Yan ang bagong pan na bili namin.